Eurobike 2018, I'm here with Dave from ISM Saddles, and he's going to tell us a bit more about 3 new models in their range.
Yeah, so new for 2018, we have the PN 3.0 Performance Narrow 3.0 chassis. We've got the Performance Narrow 3.1 and then the Performance Narrow Carbon. What we've done with this new road seat is we're using a vacuum mold technique that lightens the saddle. We have chopped off the nose of traditional bike seats, and you're able to be supported more by bone as opposed to soft tissue. We're very excited about the PN3. There are quite a few road racers using this saddles. We have triathletes and cyclocross racers on it as well. The new carbon seat that we just released 2 days ago is being manufactured by Head Cycling in Minneapolis, USA. So we're quite thrilled about that, and it weighs 129 grams. The difference between the PN 3.0 and the PN 3.1 is going to be padding and also rail composition. We're using a proprietary stainless steel rail, which is lighter and stronger than titanium on the PN 3.0. And on the PN 3.1, it has chromoly and it has a 40 level padding on it. So the higher the padding block, the more padding it's going to have.
And I guess the most striking thing about ISM Saddles is the shape, and how they look. So can you tell me a bit more about why it looks like that?
Of course, again, we've just chopped off the nose off of a traditional saddle, and we've made the seat more ergonomic for the human anatomy. Basically, what we're doing is instead of the contact point now being on 3 points, the soft tissue perineum, and then the 2 sit bones, it's on the sit bones as well as the pubic rami bone. So there's no contact whatsoever with the soft tissue. Our seats offer 100% blood flow. It's hard for other manufacturers to claim that, and it's something that we're very proud of. No numbness, and we make cycling more enjoyable.
And are they available in any other colours?
They are. The PN 3.0 we have available in a limited edition pink, a limited edition blue, and a limited edition red.
So are these saddles available to buy now?
They absolutely are available to buy now. Head Cycling, the carbon seat, it's all handmade, so they're only able to make 2 a day. So put your orders in and we'll get them shipped out.